Hey, third grade. Today we are going to talk about one of my all-time favorite topics, non-literal language. Now, you might remember that we have been learning all about metaphors. A metaphor is different from a simile. It doesn't have like or as. But what's the same is that a metaphor uses language to compare something to something else. So let's take a look at a metaphor example in paragraph 2. The metaphor we're going to look at is down here. It says, wrapped in an Arctic whiteout. He could have been upside down or sideways for all he could tell. So in this scene, the boy, the main character, is wrapped in an Arctic whiteout. So, first of all, how do I know that this is a metaphor? Well, one reason I know this is a metaphor and not literal language is that it's impossible to be wrapped in an Arctic whiteout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a note of that in the chart that we're using today. How do I know this is a metaphor? It's impossible to be wrapped in snow. Maybe you get some snow on your shoulders, but it definitely doesn't wrap you up. So the next thing I want you guys to think about is, how does this metaphor affect my reading? Well, for me, when the author said that the boy was wrapped in an Arctic whiteout, it really helped me visualize how snowy it was. So for me, it helped me visualize, I'm going to even write, it helped me visualize the weather, since we're learning all about weather. So the reason that authors include metaphors is to really put us in the story so that we feel like we're there. It makes it really easy for us to visualize as we're reading and create a picture in our head. That's what makes metaphors so fun. So now it's your turn. There's another metaphor in paragraph 9. See if you can find it. And then tell me, how do you know that this is the metaphor? Finally, how does the metaphor affect your reading? Teachers, if you want to find the metaphor together, go ahead and do that now. And then you guys can practice talking about how you know it's a metaphor and share how it affects your reading. Good luck!